Hey, history buffs! What if I told you everything you learned about Columbus Day is about to be turned upside down? Stick around for some mind-blowing revelations. Welcome to Indigenous Peoples Day, celebrated on the second Monday of October. Now let's unearth some buried truths. First off, this day isn't just about swapping out Columbus. It's about honoring the original Americans and their rich cultures that thrived for thousands of years before any ships arrived. Now let's arrow through some fascinating facts. 1. Native American women were fierce warriors. Move over, Mulan. 2. Love popcorn? Thank the indigenous people who domesticated it thousands of years ago. 3. Hockey fans? Your favorite sport comes from a Native American game called shinny. Here's a mind-blowing fact. The Sequoia Tree, one of the largest living organisms on Earth, is named after a Cherokee leader who created an alphabet for his people. Talk about leaving a big mark, but it's not all celebration. This day also acknowledges 500 years of resilience against colonial oppression. It's a day of reflection and education. So, whether you're in one of the 14 states officially celebrating Indigenous Peoples Day or not, take a moment to appreciate the original Americans. Their history is our history. Let's honor it together. Remember, every day is an opportunity to support and uplift Indigenous communities.